show you how I do my eyes for the rose I just did. So what you're going to need is a 5-inch styrofoam ball cut in half, some googly eyes, and some Lomi gems of your color. I'm going to do red, I think, for kind of a scary looking eye. And of course scissors. So just grab a googly eye out. You can get these at Walmart. See them? And what I do is I just cut that out. Take the black part out. That's of course going to be the center of your eye. This is really easy. And you just put it in the center. I kind of push it down so I know where it's gonna go when I glue it. That way you have kind of, I don't know if you can see, there's a line there around a circle. Might be hard to see on the video. And then of course you need hot glue. And I'm gonna just put the glue right where that circle was. And then take my eye here, or the center of my eye, push it down. Careful you don't burn yourself. I got glue coming out. And right there's your center of your eye. How easy was that? So then you take your Lomi gems. Like I said, I'm going to do a red scary eye this time. And then you just proceed to go around your eye, or the center of your pupil. And I even kind of maybe put it close enough where it just, the edge touches the edge there of the pupil. That way it can, you know, hold it down better as well. And you just keep going around. I'm going to do one of my regular flowers with this eye instead of a rose this time. And it's literally this simple to do. And the gems, they give it a bright look, so it looks bright no matter what time of day. Might have to push that one aside to get that in there. There. So that's the start of our eye. And then you just go on to your next level. I think I did 4 out on the green eye. And just keep going around. And that's okay if you see white in between. We're actually going to build up on that with these pins to give it more of a eye look. You see that so far? I thought this was so cute. I seen these flowers, I think it was at Family Dollar last Halloween, and they had the eyeballs in them. I'm like, oh, I want to do that with my flowers. It'd be great for Halloween. Just so nice, and you can do so much with these centers. They're so versatile. Okay, so you have that so far. You see the white in there? Now what I do is come back and go in between where the whites are, so it gives it a raised look. Kind of like a three-dimension look to it. And you're filling in the whites as well. So can you see? I'm just going on in between where the whites are, where the white is. Like I said, these are so easy to do, and it's a nice little touch you can add to your item. Let's see, that one. Excuse my craft room, it is a hot mess. I have to clean it. It's where I can't even find anything right now. And I'm not counting how many I have. I just know if I go through a pack, it's 100 in there. So, I don't know, see how you're getting the raised look to it. And then go ahead and go to your third row. I was thinking of even doing some veins up, you know, the sides here. I might do that for my other flower because you're more apt to see the side of the flowers on my other flowers, or the side of the centers. Then of course, if you're doing a bigger flower, you can go with the bigger center. You're probably just going to use more pins, of course. Now let's turn it out. Trying to do this quick before my little ones come downstairs and interrupt me. So then that's becoming our eye. So then again, I go through and cover where the, oh, they're coming. Kind of cover where the whites are. And again, see how it's giving it the raised look to it around the pupil. And you know, these don't have to be placed perfect. It fills in as it goes. This one might. It's kind of hard to screw it up because you go right from the center and just follow that circle around. So that's what we have so far. And then the last row, I just kind of go up on an angle so it goes more on a slant. And then this one I didn't do, and you know, I didn't go in between. So I don't do a second layer on this row. I just did a make sure, kind of get them where they're touching. Might be hard to see with my lighting. So I've used 100 pins so far. I have some leftover pins in this one. Glue on that one. Cracked me up. My 5-year-old came in and was like, "Oh, Mom, I love that. Can I have that one?" I'm like, "Really?" So, and that's how we do the eyeball. Thanks for joining. Hopefully this helped you out and you can create some creepy looking eye roses or flowers this year for Halloween. Thank you.